What's up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'll be making today is going to be a Bloody Mary. A while back, a company by the name of armadillopepper.com sent me some of their ghost pepper hot sauce to try out. In the video that I did that taste test on, I was asking for suggestions on what to make, and somebody came up with a Bloody Mary recipe, and my wife seconded that, so we're going to go ahead and knock that out today. I'm no bartender, I'm no mixologist. What I did was I took about 3 different recipes that I saw online, and we're gonna kind of meld those together. Now, one thing I will tell you is the one thing that I don't like about Bloody Marys when I go out is that either A, they don't have enough alcohol, or B, they don't have any flavor. So we're gonna try to pump that up. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of just put this together. I got my little ingredient list over here, so we're just gonna kind of knock it out. First thing I'm gonna need is the vodka. The ratio should be 2 to 1. And I will leave the recipe that I'm following in the description below, but I'm going to be eyeballing it. So I'm going to go ahead with our vodka. I happen to be using Pearl vodka, nothing extravagant, anything like that. Just make sure we got enough in there. Now we're going to hit it with our tomato juice. Now, I'm going to be using fresh prepared horseradish. I've never used fresh horseradish in a Bloody Mary, but I do like that flavor, so we're going to go ahead and recipe says 3/4 of a tablespoon, so we're going to go ahead and add that in. Maybe a tad more, nothing wrong with that. It says to add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to be a little light on that since I am going to be adding some celery salt. Saw some of the recipes online had celery salt, some didn't. We're going to go ahead and add that in. Worcestershire sauce, another pinch again. Or dash, excuse me. Now, olives. I'm going to be using this as part of the garnish, but you know what? I like olive juice in my martini, so we're just going to go with just a dash of that. I did actually see this on a recipe online as well. And fresh ground pepper. And it just says a dash of that, but we like pepper, so we're going to go a little bit hotter on that. All right. Now we're down to this hot sauce. Let's give it a good shake. Now, the recipe says 3 dashes of hot sauce, and obviously this is going to be hotter than the hot sauce that most people use. And I'm telling you, if you're in the market for a ghost pepper or a super hot sauce that actually has flavor, check this company out. I'm going to leave a link to their company in the description below. They also have a YouTube page. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to that channel in the iCard above as well. Let's go ahead and add that in. And I went with about 4 dashes in that. And I got lime. I'm going to use half of this lime to just kind of squeeze this in. And the other half I'm going to use as garnish. Let's see. Looks like I got everything I need. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some ice right quick. I have my other glass over here. I'm going to kind of rock this back and forth for a few times. Once I'm done with this, we're going to go ahead and taste for flavor, see if I need to add anything else to it. I think that should be good to go. Definitely spicy. I think I'm good to go. Anyway. So what I'm going to do as far as this garnish goes, I'm going to go ahead and cut a little tomato off of this, or not tomato, a lemon slice off of that. Grab one of these olives. These happen to be jalapeno olives. Let's go ahead and run this through. We're just going to go right across the top of the glass like that. Then I also have some bacon. Now the bacon that I used was really thick cut bacon. Threw it in the oven at about 275 degrees so it wouldn't cook and get too crispy. We're gonna go ahead and add this right on in. I'm gonna clean this up because I gotta have a little bit of a cleaner area when I do my taste test. So that's what that looks like all plated up. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this stuff. When I go out and have drinks, the first thing I tell them is I don't need all this shrubbery or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side. I will knock out some olives and everything though, but let's see what this drink actually tastes like. Definitely got some good spice to it. Let's get into this bacon right quick. I have seen this on the menu with bacon. I think I might take that bacon on the side. I'm not sure that throw it in there with any ice is adding anything to it. Celery tastes just like celery. I mean, I'm telling you. Run over to armadillopepper.com. If you like hot food, pick up 2 or 3 of these bad boys. Anyway. Definitely taste that fresh horseradish in there. I think this is the bomb. Anyway, for those of you guys that gave me the suggestion to make Bloody Mary, thanks for that suggestion. I will be using this in a few other recipes down the road. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.